In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change Windows 11 desktop background to plain or solid color in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Or either press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard. In that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please directly proceed to the left pane and find for this option called personalization. Here at the personalization, you'll get to see this list of the option. Please proceed to background, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a first option which is personalize your background. So aligning to it, you can see this bar. Click on this down arrow key and please proceed to the second option which is solid color. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can now choose your background color as your desktop background here in your Windows 11. So it will show you list of recommended colors here. If you would like to go with gold, you can select that one. And if you would minimize this window, you would be able to change your desktop background color into gold. So if you would like to change that, you can go with also with navy blue, click on that one. And if you prefer on going with navy blue as your background color, you can select that here and you would be able to set that one here at the desktop. So just have to select the color that you would like to go with. In my case, I would love to go with something light purple shadow. In this way, I would love to go with the desktop as the purple shadow as my desktop background. And if you would like to create or custom colors, you can click on view colors here. And here you'd be able to select the color that you would prefer. You can go with teal and the color would look like this. So click on done. And in a few moments, you'd be able to set that one, meaning it is being checked here. And if you would minimize, you'd be able to set that one. In my case, I would love to go with light colors. Okay. So just have to go with the colors that you would prefer. You can create on color that you would like to go with by clicking on view colors here. There you can set any of the color that you would prefer. And you just have to click on done and that way you'd be able to set it. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.